Mind your work. Work your mind. The topic of this video is goal setting, and why it is crucial to every success. If you are someone who works as a freelancer, then this video is for you. As a freelancer, on those days when life is filled with roses and sunshine, it's easy to stay confident and upbeat. It's when the storms roll in, and they will roll in, that your mental toughness will be put to the test. The number one secret in your freelancing arsenal is to master the mental game. And you do this by setting up goals. Goal setting is very important to freelancing or any endeavor. Without it, you'll find yourself directionless and scattering your energies with no accomplishment to boot. So you have to have goals, even before you start. Your goals will guide you through the storm. So decide what you want to see and achieve. What kind of lifestyle you want to live and maintain. How much money you want to make. And all of these in what time frame. Your goals, like a rudder to a plane, will guide and direct you to where you want to be in the short and long term. Here's a practical goal-setting exercise you can do to get clear of what you want out of life. This is one of the easiest techniques for getting your goals down on paper with only 3 easy steps. 1. Envision your ideal day. Ask yourself, if you could create the perfect workday for yourself, what would it look like? What sort of work do you want to be doing? For what sort of clients? At what times during the day? 2. Compare and create your ideal and current days. When you have your day mapped out, compare it to how you currently spend your days and note the differences. What do you need to do starting right now to make your ideal day, that is your ideal life, a reality? 3. Prioritize and execute. If you place no limits on your thinking during step 2, you'll end up with a giant list of ideas, notes, tasks, projects, plans, and even new goals to strive for. You could easily have 20 or 120 different items on this giant list. Now you need to prioritize these items into a manageable list of things to do. As you prioritize, you can discard any items that are of little or no use. Decide on a deadline for achieving your ideal day. 3 to 6 months from now? A year from now? 2 to 5 years from now? You know what I mean. Knowing this helps you set many timelines for executing your list of things to do. For example, which tasks can you accomplish by the end of this month? This calendar year? Which can you accomplish next year? And so on. Carry your list of goals around so you can review them regularly and stay focused on what is important to you. Your goals should never be etched in stone. As time goes by, you will find some of them as no longer applicable. So you need to be flexible to replace them with better and bigger goals. Having established goals to shoot for is critical to becoming a wealthy freelancer. While the achievement of your goals will no doubt be rewarding, the pursuit of those goals can and should be enjoyable. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. The next video on setting standards will show you how to get more enjoyment out of your freelance work. Be sure to tune in on that video. Until next time, mind your work. Work your mind. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.